36-32. The Rocket, JC Intal getting ready for free throws.
And so far, Intal only with a total of 4 points. Okay din yung mga gumagawa ng mga poster dito eh. Nasa harap nito si JC JC Intal loves dog and Maki.
And pumunta muna tayo kay Rima Chang on courtside for an update.
Thank you, Coach Alan. Well, ang sabi lang ni Coach Luigi, wag na sila mapadala or madala sa mga tawag ng mga ref. At they should concentrate on the game, focus on their defense. At sana daw, wag na sila masyado mag-turnover kasi they gave, I think, Harbor Center 16 points sa kanilang turnovers. So back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Rima. Ito ngayon, Ken Bono, naagawan ng bola.
Kakatabi lang eh.
Oo. Intal, inside to Asoro, nakomintis.
But you know, all these errors that's being made by Cebuana is because of the very, very hard defense on a one-on-one basis by Harbor Center.
Escalona going baseline. Rebound Kramer, the putback is there.
Matagal na natin hindi nararamdaman si Dog Kramer. Welcome back, Dog.
And yun na, nakikita mo na naman yung mga banderitas. I love you, Doug Kramer, nagkalat. Sarap ng gwapo ng Coach Alan.
Masarap, oo.
Ba't tayo wala tayong bandera?
Hindi, alam mo naman dapat yung pakiramdam ng gwapo. Ikaw naman,
De La Cuesta is called for that foul as Fernandez.
Shooting two, Jonathan Fernandez.
Jonathan Fernandez ngayon nasa line para sa Harbor Center.
The future of the three-point shot, Jonathan Fernandez.
Ganda na stroke eh, no? Or follow through.
Perfect. Naalala ko tuloy yung kung paano ka tumira, Marky.
Yan!
Ha?
Yan, walang maniniwala sa'yo, Coach Alan.
Ganyan ka eh.
Sa PlayStation siguro.
Nag-mentis kasi kinumpir kita.
Yan. Minamalas tuloy yung player eh. Ito yun, bola na sa kamay ni Eric De La Cuesta. Ken Bono. The fall away by the big guy.
No effort whatsoever. Faces basket, ayaw mo ako lapitan, ito sa'yo.
Di pwedeng bigyan ng espasyo si Ken Bono. Everyone knows he has that soft touch. Bo Belga. Asoro for three. And he makes it.
Edwin Asoro really has that stroke. A big three-point shot and back to a 6-point lead para dito sa Harbor.
2 minutes and 20 remaining in the second quarter, mga kaibigan. Escalona. Here's Kramer again. De La Cuesta for three. Hindi niya nabura. Pero naiwan si Bono. But he will miss on that try as Chico Lanete brings it down court. Lanete, binigay kay Intal. Here's Belga. Spin move by Belga. It's nothing.
He forced the issue that time. Pero ito naman, hindi napansin ni Dog Kramer that Maki was going to give him that ball. Pero bakit kaya naman yung binigay, no? Ito si Maki sa flota ng ball na lang.
Lanete, biglang tumirada ng tres. Medyo mahina ang mga tiro dito ni Chico Lanete. As Ariel Capos lobs it over to Maki Escalona. There's the spin. Escalona will score.
Good no call that time. Nakikita mo talaga no, kung kaano niya na perfect yung kanyang spin move off the baseline. Maki Escalona.
Edwin Asoro ngayon. Bo Belga. Siya naman susubok sa labas. And the gunners of Harbor Center, Coach Alan, hindi makapasok.
And you know they're going to give him that shot anytime, any day. Bo Belga, a little tempted in the last two offensive sequences, has been taking the shot, one from the baseline and one from the elbow.
At pinilitan muna ni Alan Gamboa. Etong si Bo Belga. As Al Vergara also checks in para kay Chico Lanete. Matagal din pahinga nito si Al Vergara after a great first quarter, Coach Alan.
That's right. Alam mo, dahil sa mga spin moves na ginagawa ni Maki Escalona yan, alam natin na si Vergara at si Escalona kanina pa nagkakakantian sa ilalim yan.
Escalona, tumira na naman off the board pero wala. Kramer, the fall away. Escalona, Kramer, and Bono are taking it on.
The timing of Dog Kramer on the offensive board. Again, just down to 2 points. The last 47 seconds of the first half.
Jonathan Fernandez. And before the shot, mga kaibigan, may foul dito against Ariel Capus.
Kita mo si Ariel, ano? Parang talagang kakagising lang na wala siyang alam eh. Ano nangyari, ref? Pero sabi ng ating mga referee, ano ko ba naman?
Finals na to eh. Asahan mo na yung mga tawag. Penalty na rin itong si Bonalu Willier. So 2 free throws for the shooter ng Harbor Center, Jonathan Fernandez.